Man, this is awesome. Did not realize just how large it was going to be. Man, can't wait. The day's finally here. My wife and I were super excited. Can't wait to see what finished product's going to look like. We didn't understand or know that there was going to be a double framed exterior wall. The crews were able to explain to me, what the reasons are. In this case, the span is so wide, they had to do 2 frames on each side of the exterior wall, which worked out great for us because we're actually going to use that for additional shelving support. Man, walls are finally going up. I can't tell you just how excited I am. Seeing the crews installing the paneling, super happy with the color. We went with white, worked out great. I love it. People driving by while the progress is happening, they're all driving slow and looking at it. White walls, definitely a great one to pick. Super pumped. Man, this is awesome. Did not realize just how large it was going to be. I love it.